What is going on, everybody? Welcome back here. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can reset your Google Nest Wi-Fi router. Now, if you have a problem with your Google Nest Wi-Fi where you can't maybe connect your Wi-Fi network, or maybe you feel like your Google Nest Wi-Fi is not working at all for a speaker and any others, or if you want to sell your Google Nest Wi-Fi router to anybody, you want to make sure that your device is completely on the setup mode. Therefore, all you want to do, you want to reset the device. So there's two ways that you guys can follow to just reset your device completely, okay? Now, if you want to do it, first you can do it on your device, on your Android or iPhone. The first thing that you want to do, guys, you need to open up your home application here, and then you want to choose the setting option. If you come here, this is going to show you the profile for your Google Nest Wi-Fi. And if you scroll down here, this says delete this home. Okay, so if you just tap on there, now tap on delete home, and then this is going to delete all the data that your device has been kept ever since you set up your Google Nest Wi-Fi with your device. Now, if you want to just make sure, if you're not oversure whether the device is completely resetted or not, you can definitely check out the second way. In the second way, all you want to do, grab your device and you want to press this little button. Now, you got to just press and hold this button about 15 seconds and more, unless it says it's been resetted. Okay, so let me press it down here. So let me just do it. 1, 2, 3.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Alright, now once it gives you the second sound here, now that means your device has been resetted. Now if you want to set it up again with your Android and iPhone, you need to wait about 30 to 40 seconds unless it's telling you to open up your Google Home application to reset up it again.
Hi, to get started, use the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright guys, so this is how you guys can do the factory reset on your Google Nest Wi-Fi router. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.